Welcome to the UC San Diego Onboarding Solution. In this demo, you will see how both pre-boarding and onboarding activities are performed for a new hire. This will consist of creating and distributing an offer letter, completion of core new hire forms, account provisioning, and first day activities. Access into the onboarding solution is role-based and dependent on a department's hiring structure. Using the onboarding solution, a department initiator or super user can create a unique offer letter for a candidate. Specific information can be provided to the candidate in the offer letter, such as the start date, FLSA exemption status, union representation, pay cycle and pay rate, offer acceptance deadline, time and location details for the first day appointment, an optional background check clause, and a free text box for additional offer or position details. Once saved, the offer letter can be previewed and edited if necessary prior to being sent to the candidate. The candidate receives an email from DocuSign with the offer of employment link. The candidate is presented with their offer of employment details and option to accept using their electronic signature. Once a response has been provided, the candidate can save or print their offer letter, and the hiring department will be notified of their action. After the offer is accepted, the new hire automatically receives an email from DocuSign with their core new hire forms to be completed prior to their start date. Some fields on the forms will be pre-populated for the new hire. Based on the new hire's responses, additional information may be required. The forms have also been configured to require all necessary signatures, initials, data, and in some cases, specific formatting of the data. If the new hire did not complete a data field, initial tag, or a signature tag, DocuSign will redirect the user to the appropriate spot with the missing information, signature, or initial for completion prior to finishing the core new hire forms. Initial review of specific data fields is completed automatically, and any editing needed by the new hire is requested prior to the department initiator or super user being notified for review. If additional editing is needed, the department initiator or super user can push back the forms for further editing. Once the core new hire forms have been reviewed and the employee ID number generated, the onboarding record can be approved. The employee ID is entered along with the account creator email address. The account creator for the department will be responsible for activating the Active Directory username and enabling their email address. The department initiator or super user receives an email from the account creator with the new hire account details. Clicking the link at the bottom of the email, the department initiator or super user can enter the account details to update the record for the new hire. Once the record has been updated, the new hire automatically receives a welcome letter. This welcome letter contains important information for the new hire prior to their start date, such as employee ID number, UC San Diego email address and Active Directory username, along with links to the password change tool, new hire website, acceptable I-9 identification, map link, and where they should park and report to for their first day appointment. At the Welcome New Hire website, the new hire can set up their single sign-on, establish their UC San Diego email account password, print their complimentary parking pass, and view other key information in advance of their start date, along with the benefits of joining the UC San Diego community. It is now the new hire's start date. Prior to starting, both the new hire and HR initiator or super user receive reminder notifications. At the appointed time on the new hire's start date, the new hire meets with the department initiator or super user to complete the I-9 and identification validation, along with signing the oath and patent. Once the I-9 and oath and patent are completed, a notification is sent to the new hire and department initiator or super user, letting them know pre-boarding has completed and department-specific onboarding activities may begin.